rice with liver, onions and pine nuts. Melt 2 tablespoons of margarine in a saucepan. Scatter the pine nuts into the melted fat and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Chop the onion into small pieces and add to the pan and sauté for a couple of minutes more. While the onions are cooking, melt 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a separate pan. Add the liver and sauté for 5 minutes, stirring all the time. Go back to the pan with the sautéed onions and add 2 cups of pre-soaked rice, the cinnamon, black pepper, salt and sugar, then cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes. When the livers are adequately cooked, add them to the rice pan and mix together. Add 720 ml of hot water. Cover the saucepan with a lid and cook on a low heat for 12 minutes more. Leave the food to rest and then serve warm.